Hello students, start with the next lesson, paper second, chapter also second, instruction set and programming of 8085. Then scope of limitation. First point, addressing models in 8085. Second point, programming model of 8085. Next, study of instruction set, then assembly language programs based on above instruction. That first of all, discussing the introduction. Computers recognize and operate only with the binary numbers. Each machine has its own instruction set based on the design of its CPU. These instructions are in a binary form and the language used is called machine language. Means binary numbers जे आपण यूज करणार आहोत त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहोत तर machine language. Then microprocessor design engineers select combination of a different bit pattern and assign a specific meaning to each combination by using electronic logic circuit. Means combination कशात असणार आहे the bit patterns and assign the specific meaning of a combination. Then instruction are made up of one or more words using the binary numbers. Then in the case of 8085, a word means an 8-bit group which is also called as a byte. Means जो आपण 8-bit जो group यूज करणार आहे त्याच्यासाठी आपण काय म्हणणार आहोत त्याला तर byte. Then next, instruction set of 8085. The first point consists of a 74 operation codes. For example, move. Then second one is a 246 instruction. For example, move A, B. Then 8085 instruction can be classified as first is a data transfer. Second one is a arithmetic, logical and bit manipulation, branch, and last one is a machine control. Next, instruction set of 8085. First point, an instruction is a binary pattern designed inside a microprocessor to perform a specific function. Second point, the entire group of instruction that a microprocessor supports is called as an instruction set. Then 8085 has a 246 instruction. This is an exam view, filling the blanks. 8085 has a filling the blanks instruction. The answer is a 246 instruction using the 8085. Then each instruction is represented by an 8-bit binary value. This is called as a byte. These 8 bits of a binary value is called as a OP code or instruction byte. First point, instruction cycle. What is meant by instruction cycle? Instruction is executed by a microprocessor. Number of a different operation are to be carried out by the microprocessor. Means ज्या instruction execute करायचे आहे तर त्या microprocessor number of a different operation to perform करणार आहे. कशाला perform करणार आहे तर microprocessor. Then the clock achieves the overall control of the operation of a microprocessor. Thus it may be take several clock cycles to perform a particular operation. In the microprocessor terminology, the subdivision of an operation which equals to one clock period is called as a T state. Means जो subdivision आपण करणार आहोत तर त्याला काय म्हणणार आहोत आपण T state. And after defining the T state, will define machine cycle and instruction cycle. Next आपण machine cycle काय आहे ते पण बघूया. Next, machine cycle. What is meant by machine cycle? It is defined as the time required to complete any operation which is a subpart of an instruction. The machine cycle may consist of a number of a T state. For 8085, a machine cycle may consist of a 3 to 6 T state depending upon which machine cycle operation is being carried out. This known as a machine language, means machine cycle. Next, instruction cycle. The time required to complete the execution of an instruction. An instruction cycle may consist of a number of machine cycle. Then 8085, an instruction cycle may be consist of 1 to 5 machine cycle. Means instruction cycle means आपण त्यामध्ये आपण 5 cycle use करणार आहोत. Then any of the instruction when executed will require number of machine cycle to be performed and which requires several T-state. A diagrammatic representation of this concept of the shown in figure. Next figure मध्ये आपण बघूया instruction cycle काय आहे ते. Look at this figure which shows machine cycle T states and instruction cycle required for execution of a hypothetical instruction. From the diagram we see the requires two machine cycle M1 and M2. Machine cycle M1 lasts for 3 T state while machine cycle M2 lasts for 4 T state, denoted as a instruction cycle. Means instruction cycle मध्ये आपण machine cycle किती यूज करणार आहोत तर 2 यूज करणार आहोत, M1 and M2. M1 मध्ये आपण T state किती यूज करणार आहोत 3. कोणकोणते T1, T2 and last one is a T3. This is a T state and machine cycle M2 is using the 4 T state T1, T2, T3 and T4. This is a instruction cycle working. Next lecture मध्ये आपण instruction classification of 8085 discuss करूया. Thank you students. Keep watch my video.